Hi everyone, it's Miss Lydia from Scranton Memorial Library here for another STEM project today. We are going to start our egg geode crystals today. So this is going to be a two-part video, one today and one on Saturday when we check back in with our crystals. So what you need for this experiment is an egg, hollowed out. You want to crack the egg on the top, so that it's easy to put water inside of it. So you don't want a huge crack because you want to be able to have the egg hold all of the solution that's going to make the crystal. You need a muffin tin or an egg carton that you can put your egg in facing up so that you have somewhere to put it when you're all done. Half a cup of boiling water, something that can hold boiling water, like my cat mug, and a soluble solution. So that means I'm going to use table salt today, but you can use anything that's soluble. So rock salt is okay, borax is okay. There's a whole list of things that you can use. And depending on the size of the crystal that you use, the kind of geode that you make will change. So what might be cool if you have a bunch of stuff at home and enough eggs is to try a couple different kinds of solution. So once you've cracked your egg and hollowed it out, you need to clean out the membrane that's on the inside. And to do that, you're going to use hot water from your sink. And you're just going to wash your egg out and make sure that this plasticky bit on the inside comes all the way out. And it is kind of tricky to take out, but it is doable. Let's see if I can get it. So the reason that you need this membrane to come out is that if it stays in, your crystals can grow mold. And that means that your crystals will turn black, which isn't really as exciting as having beautiful colored crystals. So look at that. There's our membrane coming out. All set. So it's nice and clean inside. You can put it right wherever you're going to hold it. And then you're going to add your half a cup of boiling water. So you can boil it. You can ask a grown-up to help you boil it on the stove. We have an electric kettle here, so that's what I use to boil it. And then you're going to take about a quarter cup of whatever your soluble solution is, and you're going to add it to the water. So what you need to do is get your water something called super saturated. And that means that the water can't absorb any more of your soluble solution. And you'll be able to tell when it's really, really cloudy and things aren't really quite mixing in as well. It's about half a cup of water to a quarter cup of solution. You're gonna mix really, really well. And it looks really cloudy like that, right? Very cloudy. And then you're gonna choose your color of choice. So I am using blue food coloring today, and you're gonna kind of put in a few drops, as much as you want, to your solution and mix it around because this is going to be the color of your crystal. And I chose this mug because it has a little area at top that I'm hoping will make it easier to pour. So once you have your solution, you're gonna pour it into your egg, and you're gonna fill your egg almost to the top with solution. And then you're gonna put it down. Let's see if we can balance it. There we go. And now we just let it sit. So as it sits, the water is going to evaporate, and the salt will form crystals on the side of the egg, hopefully. So we are going to check back in on Saturday and see what kind of crystals we made in this egg. So you try it at home, let us know how your crystals do, and we'll see you on Saturday morning. Have a great day.